Convince me I'm right, 'cause I can't decide if you're a sense of my side.